What if a single wreath could change how your entire home feels? What if the moment someone approached your door, they instantly felt spring, warmth, and joy? Spring wreaths aren't just decorations. They're greetings. They're the first smile your home gives to the world. Imagine fresh florals welcoming guests. Soft greenery framing your doorway. Seasonal colors catching the light. And a wreath that announces spring before the door even opens. Today, we're sharing spring wreath decoration ideas that feel fresh, cheerful, and timeless. Wreaths that turn doors, walls, and spaces into beautiful celebrations of the season.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are spring wreath decorations so impactful? Spring wreaths set the emotional tone of your home instantly. They are often the very first decor detail people notice. After winter, a wreath signals renewal and warmth. It represents fresh beginnings and positive energy. It creates a welcoming feeling before anyone steps inside. A thoughtfully chosen spring wreath makes your home feel cared for and alive. It shows intention and seasonal joy in the simplest way. If you love seasonal home decorating, tap like and welcome spring with us. What colors work best for spring wreath decorations? Spring wreath colors should feel light, happy, and refreshing. They mirror the season outside. Soft pastels create calm and charm. Fresh greens symbolize growth and renewal. Bright florals add joy and energy. Neutral bases keep everything balanced. When these colors blend naturally, the wreath feels fresh and uplifting. It becomes a beautiful expression of spring. Subscribe for more seasonal decor inspiration. How can floral wreaths bring spring energy to your home? Floral wreaths are the heart of spring decorating. They instantly bring life and beauty to any space. Fresh-looking blooms create vibrancy. Faux florals offer long-lasting charm. Seasonal flowers reflect the time of year beautifully. A floral wreath feels joyful and inviting. It connects your home to the beauty of spring outdoors. Check the description for floral wreath styles featured here. How can greenery wreaths create a calm spring look? Greenery wreaths offer a more subtle approach to spring decor. They feel natural and timeless. Lush greenery adds freshness without overwhelming color. Natural textures bring warmth and balance. Simple designs feel elegant and peaceful. Greenery wreaths work beautifully in both modern and traditional homes. They bring a quiet, refreshing spring presence. Save this video to your playlist for greenery decor ideas. How can wreaths be styled beyond the front door? Wreaths aren't limited to doors. They can enhance many areas of the home. Wall-mounted wreaths add charm indoors. Wreaths above mantels create seasonal focus. Layered wreath displays add depth and interest. Using wreaths throughout your home spreads spring energy everywhere. It creates a cohesive seasonal look. Like and share this video if you love creative decor ideas. How can ribbon and accents personalize a spring wreath? Ribbons and accents add personality and style to wreaths. They make each wreath feel unique. Soft fabrics add elegance. Seasonal accents add charm. Subtle details reflect your personal taste. These finishing touches elevate a simple wreath into a statement piece. They make the wreath feel intentional and special. Check the description for wreath accent ideas used here. How can layering enhance spring wreath displays? Layering adds depth and dimension to wreath decor. It creates visual interest. Layered greenery feels fuller. Mixed textures add richness. Complementary accents bring balance. Layering transforms a wreath from simple to striking. It gives your decor a polished look. Save this video to your playlist for wreath styling ideas. How can layering enhance spring wreath displays? Layering adds depth and dimension to wreath decor. It creates visual interest. Layered greenery feels fuller. Mixed textures add richness. Complementary accents bring balance. Layering transforms a wreath from simple to striking. It gives your decor a polished look. Save this video to your playlist for wreath styling ideas. How can spring wreaths reflect different decorating styles? Spring wreaths are versatile. They can match any decor style. Minimal wreaths suit modern spaces. Floral designs complement traditional homes. Natural elements fit farmhouse or rustic styles. Choosing a wreath that fits your home creates harmony. It makes the decor feel effortless and cohesive. Comment which spring wreath style fits your home best. How can layering enhance spring wreath displays? Layering adds depth and dimension to wreath decor. It creates visual interest. Layered greenery feels fuller. Mixed textures add richness. Complementary accents bring balance. Layering transforms a wreath from simple to striking. It gives your decor a polished look. Save this video to your playlist for wreath styling ideas. How can spring wreath decorations stay simple yet beautiful? Spring decor should feel light and uncluttered. Wreaths follow the same principle. Choosing fewer elements keeps designs clean. Letting colors breathe enhances beauty. Simple designs feel fresh and timeless. A simple wreath often makes the strongest statement. It reflects the ease and calm of spring. Check the description for minimalist spring wreath ideas. How do spring wreath decorations change how your home feels? Spring wreaths influence how your home is experienced emotionally. They create happiness and warmth instantly. A cheerful wreath lifts your mood. A seasonal entrance feels welcoming. A decorated space feels alive. Spring wreaths don't just decorate, they create joy. They turn everyday moments into something brighter. Subscribe now for more home decor and seasonal inspiration. And that is how you create beautiful spring wreath decorations. Fresh, joyful, and full of life. These are wreaths that welcome the season. Wreaths that spread happiness. Wreaths that turn doors and walls into moments of beauty. Hang them proudly. Let them bloom. Let your home greet spring with open arms. Because sometimes, the smallest decoration makes the biggest difference.